In this video, I'm going to show you how to rewrap your handlebars. As you can see in this before photo, the wraps are very worn out. It started to leave a black sticky residue on your hands, and that's when we knew it was time to switch it out. Here's a sneak peek of the after, and I'll be showing you shortly how to accomplish this application of a new handlebar wrap. Okay, so let's get started. I've removed the old wrap, and then I cut a small piece to put there in the inner corner, and you'll see here in a little bit why we do that. And keep in mind when you're taking off your wrap, you can kind of see how that one was wrapped and use that as a guideline on how you want to go forward with rewrapping it. My technique involves pulling tight and wrapping inwards. You are going to have a little overlay on each section. There's a center sticky strip, and you can use that as a guide. You could wrap up to that amount, or you can wrap a little less. It kind of depends on if you're in a curve of the handlebar or not. It may be a little less, may be a little bit more. Most important thing is to pull tight while you're doing this though. You want a very snug fit. We're now coming up on the most trickiest part, and that is this inner corner, and that's that little strip that we cut at the beginning. That's going to help cover this area. We want to go up and over, and then down and over, and then you'll continue on to the rest of the bar. Here's a close-up of that corner. And again, make sure you are pulling snugly on this the whole entire time and keeping it all in place and having a little bit of that overlap. Once we get to the end here, you want to cut a diagonal cut on the end. Now we're going to take electrical tape, which is recommended by the brand, to secure this in place. Again, tight and snug when you are wrapping. The wraps come with these. It's like a decorative electrical tape. It is a nice finish, so you just want to finish off with those. At the beginning, when you start wrapping, leave a little overhang for these plugs. These go at the bottom of the bars. These do come with the wraps as well in the packaging. You pop those in, and then you could use maybe a small flathead screwdriver or use your nails to pop the extra wrap in behind these plugs. And that is it. This is the finished product, and I will link the product that I used below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.